The voice of Jesus calls out to you, asking for just a moment of your time to remain in His presence. It is no accident that these words have found their way to you, for nothing in your life unfolds without a divine purpose. And today is certainly no exception. He urges you not to lose heart and not to turn away too quickly from this moment of connection. Every burden you are carrying and every weight on your soul is already known to Him. He acknowledges that you have been praying for much longer than you ever expected, and that you have waited through seasons where it felt as though the answers were being delayed. Despite how things may appear, He speaks with absolute certainty that change can happen suddenly. What seems fixed and unmovable in your life can shift in a single moment. So you must never underestimate the power of prayer or the authority He carries over every situation you face. What looks impossible through human eyes is never impossible for Him. He reminds you that He never asked you to place your ultimate trust in people, for people are fragile and limited. While He has called you to love others, He asks that you anchor your trust in Him alone. When those two things are confused, disappointment inevitably follows. But when you understand the difference, peace returns to your heart. Your joy and your ultimate victory are directly connected to where your trust rests. If something has been removed from your life recently, you are asked to believe that it was not done to harm you. He never takes anything away without a specific intention. What He removes, He replaces with something that carries a greater purpose, a deeper peace, and a more lasting value. Even if you cannot see it yet, He is already preparing what comes next for you. When the path ahead feels blocked or obstructed, remember that He is the one who creates paths where none are visible and opens doors that no one else. He is the one who sustains your hope when your own strength feels low. You are encouraged to continue believing, to continue praying, and to continue standing firm. If these words bring light to your heart, let that light move through you to reach others who may feel weary, and remain connected to messages that strengthen your faith and bring clarity to your soul. Above all else, remember that He is with you. He is faithful, and He is working on your behalf.